welcome back to Somerset Prep Homestead.
Today is Tuesday, February 18th, 2025.
I'm Rocco Castro.
And I'm Lucas Saavedra.
And you're watching Python TV.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Good morning, Pythons. Welcome back to Python TV.
Now here are your daily announcements.
It's essential to be a problem solver, to be a taskmaster, to be able to balance a lot of things at the same time, and to be able to think on your feet and see that, like, okay, there's this problem here, I need to be able to fix it quickly so that things can keep moving. So there's a lot of planning going through. A lot of it is even just like paperwork of making sure that you have everything organized. We're making schedules, we're making lists for all of our props and our set pieces, all of that kind of stuff is what we're doing now.
To be behind the scenes of a musical, I feel like it feels very empowering in a way because it's not something that a lot of people do. It's something that you need to actually enjoy to do and you have to have talent to do. And I feel like it just feels very lively, very fun, you know?
Black History Month is a month-long celebration of Black American culture, achievement, and impact.
I got involved because not only being Black is amazing, but the importance of everybody should know our history and backgrounds of everything.
I'm from Jamaica. From the Philippines.
From Jamaica.
I'm from Trinidad.
That's it for today, Pythons. Remember to stay positive, be kind, and make the most out of every day.
Let's make this school year one for the books. We'll be back tomorrow more news and updates. Have a great day.
Go!